morning, everybody. It is Saturday. We're gonna do a little cars and coffee action. You know what I mean? It's down in Safety Harbor. Let's go.
We're on our way to Cafe Vino Tinto. We've been there before. We'll link the video for there, but they have amazing food and really good coffee, so yeah, we're excited.
The waffles were really good. I think I got some type of, the last time we were there, I got like a, it was like a potato hash browns, chive, potato hash brown, or waffle thing. It was actually pretty good.
Yeah, I'm hungry just thinking about it.
I know, it's gonna be good.
All right, we're gonna pick up a straggler right up here. So I'm sure you've seen this vehicle around. We're surprised it drives too.
Kind of looks like an overcooked hot dog.
Kinda.
You know? Yeah.
Oh, what'd you get?
How big of a ride was it for you guys?
Breakfast was good, and now we're all going on a convoy to go see some troll.
We're gonna get a picture taken with a huge troll. We're trolling right now.
We're trolling Safety Harbor together.
For a troll. He's leading the way, so now we follow.
Follow the leader.
Follow the leader. Here we go.
Well, this is fun.
Look at that.
See? Cars and coffee always turns into impromptu adventures.
You never know what's going to turn out to be.
Someone says troll, and here we all go.
Got all our artsy stuff down here. Safety Harbor.
Artsy section.
Look at that. We got the elephant. This guy's like, he's excited. All right.
This is the Safety Harbor Art and Music Center. They got a
There's our beetle.
Beetle out front.
Seen that on some past episodes.
We are at Folly Farms. Folly Farm
Nature Preserve.
Usually. We're hanging out a little
I had
longer.
to stop and buy a wrench to tighten
You know what we need is a nice
accelerator cable.
Wheelchair?
We're going up.
my gears, you know? Man,
What are you up?
I feel like our BWs could have made it. Field trip.
Boston.
And that's the one. Windfall. Dan, that beard. Yeah. I would say that beard.
3 mouse beards. They're probably all snow.
Let me get the head. Of us. I'm wanted. You might show up.
They only use the finest Home Depot fence boards.
Not doing that. You guys, it's not Steve. It's George. It's George. Happy birthday, Henry.
Happy birthday!
Dance at his face. Oh my god. Ma'am. Thank you. It's a real live Photoshop.
Real life Photoshop.
Hey! Hey!
All right, that was a fun little field trip.
And the field trip continues.
And now
At the light, turn right.
All right, now we're going to a free car show to support Alzheimer's.
Yep. Let's go. Today's VW extracurricular activities are coming to a close, but tomorrow we're opening up the garage, cleaning out the garage a little bit. So stay tuned for that.
Yep. Preparing for the future. We're going to do a video on that, so stay tuned. Have a great weekend, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Well, folks, that does it. Got lunch. Had a great time this weekend. We had a great Saturday. All right, guys, thanks for joining us on this Saturday. Get out in those Volkswagens, start driving them, have a great time. The weather out here is beautiful in Florida, so that's exactly what we're doing. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Peace.
Uh-oh. I broke the regulator.
Mount up.
Gotta add that to the to-do list.
Yep. I'll let you roll and I'll pull up.